Hi, my name is Deborah R. Richardson of Deborah R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is a phishing scam that prevents you from evading phishing. And this is part of our scam holidays. And again, that is a word that I made up, but it is that time between Black Friday and really New Year's. But I'm going through the week before Christmas, and I'm talking about four different scams each week, and I'll leave it up through New Year's. So make sure you either click the link in the description or take a picture of the QR code with your phone and check out the resources I have under each of those four types of scams. Now, this week, as you can imagine or guess, it is on phishing. And so I wanted to talk about one that I don't see around so often, but I've seen a couple of articles talk about it. And it will hinder you from evading phishing. So let's say you are trying to avoid a phishing email that's giving you a link to go somewhere to get some information. Um, so you are going to instead Google it or maybe Bing it or maybe Yahoo it. But this phishing is called search engine phishing. And what this does is the scammers, just like me and maybe your company's marketing team too, try to be the top hit on a search engine, like whatever you're searching for, keyword or phrase, right? It is going to try to be that top hit. Now, I have also in the past reported that fraudsters are taking ads out now on Google, right? Everybody can get a Google ad. So you can't really trust 100%, right, what the results are from your search. You still have to be diligent. And by the way, um, they are also, right, fraudsters are on YouTube. And so you can't really trust that either. And one of the things they're doing on YouTube is they're helping each other. So, they help each other probably more than we do. And so you got to be careful of YouTube as well. Now, along that theme of phishing, right? And it's really phishing, um, vishing, which is by phone, smishing, which is by text, and then also quishing, which is by QR code. And that's the scam type for this week. And so the podcast episode will be or is the most effective ishing scams, right? So is it phishing, quishing, vishing, smishing, right? The most effective ones that's coming into your inbox. And so that one is going to pop up right at the end of this video. So make sure you check that out. All right. So if you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, then please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. And if you would like over 115 annual hours of training for your team, and I did just update that because I updated it for 2024 content. But if you would like the vendor process focused training for your vendor team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. And I will also, don't forget, I will also put a link in the description so you can check out Scam Holidays as well. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.